Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of SeF6 molecule. It's a chemical formula of selenium hexafluoride. And to determine its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one selenium atom having 6 valence electrons and 6 fluorine atoms having 7 valence electrons. That gives us a total of 48. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place selenium in the center and arrange 6 fluorine atoms around it. After that, we will place electron pairs in between each atom for bond formation. If you see here, each fluorine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so we'll assign 6 electrons to each fluorine atom. This way, every atom in this structure has complete outer shell and zero forward charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of SeF6. And for more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.